Veal piccata is a classic. Piccata, that's Italian for you gotta make a lotta this, because it is delish. I'm obsessed with traveling. If you want to feel like you're in Italy, and I love Italy, make this recipe, throw on some music, and crack open some wine.
Most people pair with red wine, but do what you like. Have fun with it.
The best part about this dish is that it's ready in minutes. You can do this. I like using veal chop. You want to cook meat on the bone. The flavor lives here. Veal is already more tender than regular beef, but after this, it will melt in your mouth. A light dusting of flour, salt, and pepper is a great trick. It keeps the meat from sticking to the pan and helps form a crust. When you add butter to a really hot pan, you want to keep a close eye on it. It's ready when the foam settles. Bonus for pounding super thin, it cooks super quick. One-pan dinners are my favorite, and my dishwasher likes them too. Dishwasher is my nickname for whoever I'm feeding. Capers are grown on wild bushes and picked by hand. Then they're cured in salt for a briny bite. Dry white wine to wet the pan. Veal or chicken stock. Pro tip, low sodium for a sauce that gets reduced. That's heavy, but cast iron is the best to cook in. Cold butter helps thicken the sauce, and it makes the texture velvety and silky.